In this video, you'll learn how to delete a workspace on Slack. This process is irreversible and all messages and files will be permanently removed. It is importing your data before proceeding with deletion. First, navigate to your Slack workspace, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Slack. Once the interface loads, you should see your channels and direct messages displayed on the main screen. Make sure you are logged into the correct workspace where you want to perform the deletion. Next, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the workspace name at the top of this sidebar. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Administration to access admin tools. This will direct you to the admin panel, which provides various management options for your workspace. After that, look for the option labeled Settings or Workspace Settings in the admin panel. Clicking on this option will take you to a page where you can manage various settings related to your workspace. Ensure you're on the correct settings page before continuing. Once you are on the workspace settings page, find and click on the option that says Delete Workspace. This option may be located towards the bottom of the settings list. A warning message will appear informing you that deleting a Slack workspace cannot be undone and that all messages and files will be irretrievable. Take a moment to read this message carefully. After reviewing the warning, you can proceed by clicking on Delete Workspace again. You will be prompted with another confirmation message to ensure you understand the consequences of this action. Confirm that you are prepared to delete the workspace. Next, you will see a message stating that all workspace messages and files will be deleted. To proceed, check the box that indicates you understand this condition. This step is crucial as it confirms your acknowledgement of the irreversible nature of this action. Following this, you will need to enter your Slack password. Click on the field labeled Slack password and type in your password carefully. Ensure that you enter the correct password to avoid any interruptions in the deletion process. Finally, click on the button that says, Yes, delete my workspace. This action will finalize the deletion of your workspace. A loading indicator may appear confirming that the deletion process is underway. Once completed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your workspace has been successfully deleted. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.